Okay, so let us start with the last standard, and after that, our auditing series of standards will be over. Auditing series of standards, right? Followed from 200 series to 800 series. बहुत simple standard है, far more easier as compared to the earlier one we have done. Simple सा logic है. The entity has already gone for the audit of complete set of financial statements. Full audit has been done in detail. Now they wanted to engage a practicing CA in SA 810 to come and conduct the summary financial statement audit. What is the name now? So definitely it is clearly indicated in the highlighted word saying that, कि boss, if you are already the audited financial statement auditor, then only you should be the auditor of what? Summarized financial statement. It means outsider auditor allowed or not allowed. तो ये तो clearly indicated यहाँ पे. Are you getting the point? तो if had you been already been aware of the financial statements in detail, you can only proceed with what? Summarize financial statement. Now the question arises as summarize financial statement की requirement क्या होती है? It is sometime a industry requirement. It's a which requirement? Industry. बेसिकली जैसे गोल्ड इंडस्ट्री, सीमेंट इंडस्ट्री, आयरन एंड स्टील इंडस्ट्री में अब क्या होता है, व्हेन द रेगुलेटर इज टेकिंग अ वेरी राइटफुल डिसीजन टू अ पर्टिकुलर इंडस्ट्री, nowadays industries companies itself are becoming so huge in size that it is very difficult to analyze and understand the audited financial statement of each and every entity. अब जैसे से फॉर एग्जांपल अपन आयरन एंड स्टील इंडस्ट्री की बात करते हैं. अब आयरन एंड स्टील इंडस्ट्री में वाइजेक स्टील प्लांट भी आता है, जिंदल स्टील्स आता है, टाटा स्टील्स आता है. देयर आर सो मेनी डिफरेंट डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ व्हाट स्टील एंटिटीज, एंड बीइंग अ रेगुलेटर इट इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू कंसोलिडेट द टोटल रिजल्ट्स ऑफ द स्टील इंडस्ट्री. तो रेगुलेटर इनको क्या बोलता है कंपनीज को कि बॉस, योर ऑडिटेड फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट्स आर डन, आई वुड लाइक टू हैव सम व्हाट summarized financial statement. If you remember the same concept you had in your law called abridged prospectus, याद आ रहा है? Abridged prospectus is nothing but the replica of what? Main prospectus, but in a which form? Summarized form. And if you'll see na, actually the prospectus is basically 600 to 800 pages worth of what? Material. ये 600-700 pages का document होता है. How do you expect that a person who is going to invest in the company, do you expect that that might be reading 6 to 700 pages of prospectus? Yeah. अभी आप रिलायंस की ऑडिटेड फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट देख लो, 146 पेज की है. First of all, the full financial statement. After that, which schedules in the plant and machinery only 2 to 3 pages are there. Then talking about investment, 3-4 pages. So it becomes a very huge effort for someone to analyze the what? Full financial statements in detail. That's why the requirement comes to do the audit of what? But that doesn't mean that we will simply have some format and we'll keep on putting the details. No, that is not there. We have to understand that कि criterias. What do we have to understand? Criteria. यहाँ पे major focus किसके ऊपर होगा कि what is industry criteria, and whenever I'm using the word criteria, what does that mean? Benchmark. Industry आपसे क्या expect कर रही है, उनके क्राइटेरिया के हिसाब से is your summarized financial statements are matching or not. And the major rule is that one who has done the full-fledged audit of financial statement is only going to be the auditor of summarized financial. Outsider is not allowed. 800 में allowed था to do a special framework financial statement. Mostly you should carry on with your own auditor, and 805 maybe we understood that you should carry on with your same auditor. But यहाँ पे तो 100% clearly evidently it is being told that कि the AFS should be the SFS auditor. अब यहाँ पे AFS and SFS are the words which you are going to use. AFS stands for audited financial statement which is full-fledged, and SFS stands for what? और याद रखना ये भी सिर्फ पर्टिकुलर इंटेंडेड यूजर्स के लिए होता है. Did you get the point? Not everyone looks for your SFS, but some people are there. Like I gave you the example of regulator. They might be looking for what? Summarized financial statement. Are you getting the point? So this was the actual base of making you understand the standard. But easygoing standard hai. There's nothing like hiccups and barriers which you had in your what? A05. If this is the case, do this and that. ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. Now see, what is a simple standard? First of all, to have a clarity on these two things. What is the point number one? We are going to call summary financial statement what? We are going to call it as what? SFS, और इसको अपन क्या बोलेंगे? AFS. ठीक है, एक सेकेंड. Let me just reopen it. So SFS stands for what? Summary financial statement, and AFS stands for what? Audited financial statement. So it means main financial statements are AFS, and after that we are doing what? SFS. Now see, this standard deals with the auditor's responsibility when he undertakes to perform SFS in accordance with SS, ensure that he shall be the same auditor who did the which audit? AFS. तो ये मैंने आपको रिक्वायरमेंट बता दी कि SFS auditor, summary financial statement auditor and audited financial statement auditor has to be what? Same. ये तो mandatory requirement है. Next point. Effective date of this standard is also from 01/04/2011. It means पूरी series ही 1st April 2011 को ही. Next one. Objective. Checking the appropriateness of accepting the engagement to report on what? SFS. It means what they are saying that ki in case you want to say what? No. In case you don't want to get engaged in what? Summary financial statement. अब कई बार क्या होता है? You have to understand one thing. If the package of your engagement is not clear about ki you will be getting the double remuneration. Obviously, why someone would like to do the additional burden of doing again the audit of what? Summarize financial statement with the same compensation. If it is giving you something additional benefit, you can say what? Yes. But if it is not benefiting you at all in monetary wise, you have every right to say what? It means then make sure that ki it should be additionally compensated. क्योंकि आपके effort तो उतने ही लग रहे हैं. Obviously, little bit it will be less as compared to what? Audited financial statement, and 99.99% of the cases में effort लगेगा भी नहीं because everything is already what? Audited. AFS में A stands for what? Audited है. It is just that you have to meet these figures with the requirements of the criteria. Only that much of effort is required, and I think anything you are doing beyond your purpose of engagement is required to be what? Compensated. So they are giving you the additional right to say what? Next point. अब प्रॉब्लम क्या है यहाँ पे? कंपनी कांट एंगेज व्हाट? तो किसका अपर एंड हुआ? ऑडिटर का. इफ आई से नो, डज द कंपनी हैज एनी अदर ऑप्शन? Either they will drop the idea of summarize, or they have to go as per what? Our criteria, our compensation, right? So you have a right to say what? No. Forming an opinion on summarized financial statement on the basis of what? Evidence is obtained. And third is expressing an opinion on SFS through a which report? Written report that also describes the basis for that. It means rules and regulations will remain same, which were applicable to AFS are equally applicable to what? SFS. Only thing is this is a smaller version of what? But report also will be what? Separate. Next point. What are the requirements of this standard? First of all, what is the meaning of summarized financial statement? Summarized financial statement reflects the same historical financial information that is derived from where? Audited financial statement, but contains what? Less details than the audited financial statement as a whole, and cannot be taken as a what? Substitute for the full-fledged financial statement. अब जैसे बड़े बड़े FIIs होते हैं, DIIs होते हैं, डोमेस्टिक इंस्टीट्यूशन इन्वेस्टर्स, वो लोग आपकी समरी के ऊपर नहीं जाते. They would like to go for a each and every inch of information they would like to see. P ratios calculate करना, तो they won't go for a particular figure. They will go for the inside this schedule. Okay, let's say for example current liabilities है. In the current liabilities, how much is what? Creditor, because some things can be included in current ratio, some things are not required to be included in current ratio. So you just cannot say someone has asked you, sir, I need a full-fledged financial statement, और तुमने उन्हें बोला एक काम करो, ये ले जाओ. What is this one? Summarize one. So summarize one cannot substitute your what? Full-fledged financial statement. Both are serving the same purpose or separate purpose? दोनों का purpose separate है, audit separate है. Auditor is what? Same. Second thing, engagement acceptance. Auditor shall agree to do the audit of summarized financial statement if it is as per the compliance of what? Standard. So same thing, compliance of SA 200. What are the 3 points? Same ethical requirements will remain same with respect to independence. He will comply with the other standards also. In case he is what? Deviating, he will be ready with some departure. Reasons in writing. If he was not the auditor of financial statement, auditor shall not what? Accept the engagement. मतलब इन्होंने ये नहीं बोला कि चलो existing वाले ने तो मना कर दिया. हमने इनको पूछा, मैंने कहा मैडम आप करोगे, तो she also has to say what? No, because she has also read 810 ना. So it means she has to know the fact that कि one who has done the audited financial statement is also should be the auditor of what? Summarize. So it means it's a win-win situation for the existing auditor only. Even if I will say no, you are not understanding my compensation, okay, I will not join. She should also say what? No. Next point is what? Before accepting the engagement, the auditor shall. ये है major core part of the standard. What is the core part? Determine whether applied criteria is what? Acceptable or not. What do you mean by applied criteria? अब मेरे को ये बताओ. Even though you are going to do an audit again, but summarized financial statement will again be prepared by whom? Management. And make sure that management should be competent enough to understand the what? Criteria. Are you getting now? Criteria की problem आपकी नहीं है. Criteria की problem is lying on whose shoulder? Because they are going to prepare the summarized financial statement as well. So you have to analyze whether the management is good enough to understand their applied criteria or not. So see this point. What do you mean by applied criteria? Applied criteria means what? Standards which are applied by the home management in preparation of summarized financial statement, because it is a responsibility of the management to have a preparation and presentation done. तो मेरे को एग्जामिन करना है. आई डोंट हैव टू अप्लाई द क्राइटेरिया, आई जस्ट हैव टू examine that ki applied criteria is made by the home management are looking good or not. Point number 1. Applied criteria means what? SFS should also represent what? Fair summary of your AFS. So what is a replica of what? SFS is a replica of AFS. So it means definitely the opinion should remain same. Balances should remain same. It should be exactly the replica, but in a which form? Summarized form. Because if it does not represent the what? Fair summary, it leads to what? Increase the risk that कि summarized financial statement may be what? Misleading. अब तुम वहां पे बेड डेट 8 CR दिखा रहे हो और यहाँ पे बेड डेट 2.5 CR दिखा रहे हो, तो how it is possible? Figures must what? Match. It means via SFS you are trying to put a which information? Mislead. तो हमने पहले उसका applicable criteria determine किया, whether the management is using the same or not, and ensure that SFS should be the exact replica of AFS, but in a which form? If not, it is indicating that कि there is a which information? Misleading information. Clear about sorted standard? Easy going. What is the third point? But following factors which the auditor shall determine for acceptability of what? Applied criteria. Okay, so what is the next thing? These are the various factors you have to keep it in mind when you are asserting whether the applied criteria is followed by the management in preparation of summarized financial statements are looking appropriate or not. Point number 1, understand the what? Nature of the entity and understand the what? Purpose of the SFS. वही मैंने बताया था, ये basically industry requirement होती है. It's a requirement of a industry. तो check that कि if you belong to that particular industry by understanding the nature of your entity and understand the what? Purpose. Ki who is going to use it, who is going to be the intended user. And next one, understand the information requirements of which user? Intended user, and check whether the applied criteria is resulting into any misleading information. Ab let's say for example, if your another sister concern or another company in the same entity has also prepared what? Summarized financial statement, आप उसका और अपना criteria match कर सकते हो. जैसे say for example, Jindal Steels also went for summarized financial statement. So Vizag Steel plant has hired you to do the summarized financial statement का audit. So it means what is the relevant industry with which you will match. आप जिंदल से मैच करके देख लो, क्योंकि both are belonging to the same which industry? Steel industry. तो अगर स्टील रेगुलेटर ने जिंदल को एक फॉर्मेट दिया तो ऑब्वियसली द सेम फॉर्मेट माइट बी गिवन टू होम. बट इफ द वाइजैक इज नॉट अप्लाइंग दैट क्राइटेरिया, इट मींस कुछ तो गड़बड़ है. तब अपना फिर अपना एसीपी प्रद्युमन बाहर से फिर आई क्या बन जाएगा? ई बन जाएगा. करेक्ट है नहीं? क्वेश्चनिंग माइंड विल टर्न इनटू देयर माइट बी अ पॉसिबिलिटी ऑफ व्हाट? मिसलीडिंग. So what are the 4 things you have to check on applied criteria? Nature of the entity, purpose of preparation of summarized financial statement, who is the intended user and why he is going to use it, and criteria must be applied as per the norms, else it will look what? Misleading. Generally, applied criteria is established on the basis of recognized standards, but in case any recognized standards does not exist, it can be on the basis of general practices of what? Industry. वो बोल रहे हैं कि लेट से फॉर एग्जांपल इंडिया में एक समराइज फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट का फॉर्मेट है, से फॉर एग्जांपल शेड्यूल 3. अब शेड्यूल 3 tells us that you being an any corporate entity other than banking and insurance, you have to follow the which act? Schedule 3 of the which act? Companies Act. Am I correct or not? अब ये है स्टैंडर्ड कि बीट वन कंपनी कॉल्ड रिलायंस और बीट वन कंपनी कॉल्ड टाटा स्टील्स, देयर बोथ फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट शुड लुक व्हाट? मैच. इसे बोलते हैं यूनिफॉर्मिटी एंड कंसिस्टेंसी. व्हाट वी कॉल इट एज? If this kind of criteria is also there for summarized financial statement, then to definitely you have to adopt that like a schedule 3. But even if it is not there, don't worry, you can also follow what? General practices of an industry. Read the point again. Generally applied criteria is established on the basis of recognized standard. Check करो कि market में कुछ recognized standards available हैं for making this standard financial summarized financial statement. In case there is no presence of any recognized standard, it can also be done on the general practices of an audit. मैंने आपको अभी बताया था वाइजेक स्टील प्लांट का समराइज फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट करना था, तो सपोज आई एम डूइंग इट फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम, कैन आई बोरो द समराइज फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट ऑफ जिंदल स्टील्स? यस. देन यू कैन सी व्हाट आर द जनरल प्रैक्टिसेस ऑफ एन इंडस्ट्री. देयर इज नो हार्म इन कॉपी. हम लोग ऑडिट रिपोर्ट भी तो कॉपी मारते हैं, गूगल से फॉर्मेट डाउनलोड करके सिर्फ नेम भी तो चेंज करने होते हैं और फिगर्स वगैरह चेंज, रेस्ट रिमेनिंग एवरीथिंग इज व्हाट? सेम. So there is no harm in doing that. Next point they are saying, if the auditor concludes that the appropriate applied criteria is looking what? Unacceptable and does not agree with the management's explanation, then he shall not accept the engagement. देखो sir, already you have done what? AFS. If you smell any fishiness in the company's preparation of what? Summarize financial statement, I don't think so that it will be a viable option to put your whole effort on stake just because you wanted to earn a more compensation in terms of doing the audit for what? Summarize. क्योंकि अगर आप लोग रहा कि SFS में कुछ गड़बड़ हो रही है, criterias are not matching, things are not meeting my criteria, my expectation, then better to withdraw from what? Engagement. और उनके पास कोई ऑप्शन ही नहीं है फिर. Why there is no option? Both the auditor has to be what? Same. Another one shall not what? Accept. ये इसको अगर ऑप्शन आता तो she तो has to say what? No. Am I correct? Next point, but if any law or regulation prohibits to disengage, then it shall be clearly mentioned in what? Audit report of SFS that engagement was not conducted in accordance with SA. अब ध्यान से सुनो, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट है. यहाँ पे उन्होंने क्लियरली क्या बोला है कि you already accepted the engagement for summarized financial statement. अब मेरे को ये बताओ, engagement withdrawal is mostly available when? At the time of SA 210. Am I correct or not? At the time of SA 210, if you look that ki management's integrity is getting what? Doubted. You can step back or not. But what if the management is so clever, they know that ki auditor will step back. They did not show the true colors at the time of what? Engagement acceptance. Now they are showing the true color after what? Acceptance. It means planning हो गया, strategy हो गया, but execution करने जा रहा था, and I came to know that applicable criterias are not sound and not matching my what? Expectation, neither the industry standards nor anything. अब मैं resign करने के लिए गया management के पास. Management बोल रही we तो don't have problem, but the law does not allow. Who does not allow? तो ठीक है, I will not resign. बट मैं अपने ऑडिटर से रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी पैराग्राफ में क्लियरली ये वर्ड टू वर्ड मेंशन करूंगा इन्वर्टेड कॉमर्स में. व्हाट आई विल से, आई डिड दिस एंगेजमेंट बट दिस एंगेजमेंट वाज नॉट कंडक्टेड इन अकॉर्डेंस विद एसेस. मैं क्लियरली मेंशन कर दूंगा क्योंकि आई डोंट वांट टू टेक द ब्लेम इन दैट केस. क्योंकि व्हाई आई एम स्टिल कंटिन्यूइंग विद दिस एंगेजमेंट? क्योंकि लॉ हैज प्रोहिबिटेड मी टू डिसएंगेज. अब पढ़ो पॉइंट, ये दोनों पॉइंट्स को पुट टुगेदर करो, 5 and 6 को. रीड द 5 and 6 टुगेदर. If the auditor concludes that applied criteria is unacceptable, does not agree with the management, then he shall not accept the engagement of SFS audit. But if any law or regulation prohibits you to disengage, then it shall be clearly mentioned in your ऑडिटर्स रिपोर्ट कि बॉस आई डिड द ऑडिट ऑफ एसएफएस बट दिस ऑडिट वाज नॉट डन एज पर व्हाट, आप शोल्डर कर दो अपनी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी सो दैट अगर फ्यूचर में पीयर रिव्यू होता है तो यू कैन able to show that कि sir I clearly mentioned that क्योंकि that time law did not allow me to what prohibit and our SA 810 says that कि we can do that. Are you getting the point? So it means did you comply what the standard said or not? Yes. There is no question of calling you as a wrong QCPP. This is our QCPP. Did you get the point? तो what you have learned so far was simple going है. Main focus किसके ऊपर चल रहा है अपना? Applied criteria. Applied criteria should be sound, should not be generating any which information, misleading information, right? Next one, what are the four things we have to check? Nature of the entity, purpose, intended user, and applied criteria resulting into any misleading information or not. Basically it should be a generalized standard, but generalized standard nahi available hai to general practices of the industry can be adopted. If the auditor thinks that ki management explanation and the general criteria applied is not what matching, he may think of what withdrawing. But if the law or regulation prohibits you to what disengage, then clearly mention one line in your paragraph called what this audit has no. अच्छा ये कहां पे आएगा बताना मेरे को, सोच के बताना कौन से पैराग्राफ में आएगा. बेसिस में. बेसिस में हम लोग क्या लिखते थे, वी हैव कंडक्टेड द ऑडिट एज पर द कंप्लायंस ऑफ स्टैंडर्ड्स ऑन ऑडिटिंग. और यहां पे क्या लिखेंगे, वी हैव नॉट कंडक्टेड दिस ऑडिट ऑफ समराइज फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट इन अकॉर्डेंस विद व्हाट एसेस. अब अपना ऑडिट का अप्लाइड क्राइटेरिया हो गया. लेट्स मूव टू द नेक्स्ट फॉर्मेलिटी विच द ऑडिटर हैज टू डू. वंस यू आर गुड विद विच क्राइटेरिया, अप्लाइड क्राइटेरिया, दिस इज अ सेकंड एरिया टू हैव बीन टेकन केयर ऑफ. सिंपल जॉब मैनेजमेंट के पास उनसे WRL ले लो. क्या ले लो, WRL. क्या WRL लेते हैं हम लोग नॉर्मली AFS में, preparation and presentation of financial statement is a prime responsibility of. सेम थिंग यहां पे भी ले रहे हैं. बस एडिशनल ये हो जाएगा कि अप्लाइड क्राइटेरियाज वर आल्सो डिसाइडेड बाय होम मैनेजमेंट. तो रीड द WRL नंबर 1. Obtain the WRL stating first one, management takes the full responsibility for the preparation and presentation of summarized financial statement in accordance with what. इसका मतलब यहां पे क्या क्या से सब्सटीट्यूट हो गया, AFRF. द वर्ड हैज बीन सब्सटीट्यूटेड विद व्हाट applied criteria. This is the major change, you need to keep it in mind. Especially in 810 you don't have to use the word called AFRF क्योंकि it is not something which every entity does, only the particular areas में required. Are you getting the point? तो क्या लिखेंगे, financial statements are in accordance with applicable financial reporting, applied criteria. So this is the replacement number 1, change in WRL. What is the second thing? Management also declaring that कि management will provide what audited financial statements to the intended users without any what undue difficulty. अब let's say for example someone is reading what SFS और मेरी audit report on SFS. He got some doubt and he would like to get it clarified by obtaining the copy of what AFS. So it is the management's responsibility to ensure to take necessary steps कि whosoever will demand AFS along with what SFS, company should provide it. ये मेरी headache नहीं है, कौन provide करेगा, तो who should make the necessary arrangements. तो read the point. Also declaring that management will provide audited financial statement to those intended users without any what undue difficulty. उनको कोई difficulty नहीं आनी चाहिए. किसकी assurance है, मैनेजमेंट की, unless it is prohibited by. अब मैं तुम्हें यहाँ पे एक एक्स्ट्रा पॉइंट बताता हूँ, सुनो. कई बार लॉ आपको प्रोहिबिट करता है कि SFS shall not be given along with what AFS. Reason being very simple, क्योंकि sometimes the AFS is available on the public domain. Which domain? अगर आपको AFS चाहिए तो आप गूगल मारो, आपको मिल जाएगी. If AFS is already made public, there is no point of sending what AFS with what SFS. वो केसेस होते हैं व्हेन इट इज प्रोहिबिटेड बाय व्हाट लॉ. और एक काम करो, SFS में क्लियरली इंडिकेट कर दो कि गो टू दिस www. ये वेबसाइट है, पूरा URL दे दो, सो दैट इफ दे विल क्लिक इट दे विल बी डायरेक्टली रीडायरेक्टेड टू व्हाट AFS. बेसिकली हम लोग पेपर सेव करने की ट्राई कर रहे हैं. कौन, रेगुलेशन. अगर रेगुलेशन ने ऐसा कोई भी डिफिकल्टी प्रोहिबिशन नहीं डाला तो विदाउट अनड्यू डिफिकल्टी समवन इज कमिंग, उसको एक काम करो, एएफएस रेडी रखो, सर आई नीड एन एएफएस, ये लो कॉपी। आर यू गेटिंग द पॉइंट? तो ये दोनों किसकी प्रॉब्लम? तो क्या टू एमआरएल्स लिए हमने, एक तो प्रिपरेशन एंड प्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ समराइज फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट इज मेड इन अकॉर्डेंस विद अप्लाइड क्राइटेरिया। सेकंड थिंग, if anyone is looking for audited financial statement, it is a management responsibility to provide it without any undue difficulty unless it is prohibited by law. Third, ये मैं बता रहा था, if it is prohibited by what law to distribute what AFS to the intended uses, following shall be ensured by the auditor. ये हमें इंश्योर करना है, दिस इज माई ड्यूटी, क्योंकि इफ एनी ऑफ दीज थ्री थिंग ऑप्शंस मैनेजमेंट इज नॉट गिविंग, देन आई कैन रेज द इशू. ऑप्शन नंबर 1, SFS shall clearly describe from whom and where AFS can be made what available. एक नोट दे दो SFS में कि आप कंपनी के ऑफिस में, अब जैसे हम लोग, अब पता नहीं आपको याद है नहीं, लॉ में अपन रिमेंबर करते हैं कि एरिया कि ओपन फॉर इंस्पेक्शन फ्रॉम 9 AM to 6 PM, बिजनेस आवर्स बोलते हैं, फॉर एटलीस्ट हाउ मेनी आवर्स, 2 hours, नीड नॉट बी अ पब्लिक हॉलीडे, हम लोग पढ़ते हैं ना. अब एजीएम है, एजीएम से 21 days बिफोर हम लोग उनको नोटिस भेजते हैं. लिस्टेड कंपनी में हम लोग ईमेल से भेजते हैं, किससे भेजते हैं? अब लेट्स से फॉर एग्जांपल वन ऑफ द इंटेंडेड यूजर इज इलिटरेट, उसको ऑपरेट करना नहीं आता इंटरनेट, ही डेफिनेटली वांट्स अ विच हार्ड कॉपी, क्या चाहिए उसे? हार्ड कॉपी. तो लिस्टेड कंपनी को रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं है सेंड करने की, बट लिस्टेड कंपनी हैज टू मेक श्योर दैट कि 21 days बिफोर the AGM, they have to make their financial statement hard copy made available for inspection during 9 AM to 6 PM on daily basis. अब जैसे उन्होंने 1 2 3 टाइम रख दिया, व्हाट इज द टाइम? 1 बजे से लेके 3 बजे तक एनीवन कैन कम एंड डू द इंस्पेक्शन ऑफ विच कॉपी? हार्ड कॉपी. यहां तो आप ये अरेंजमेंट कर दो, आई एम कूल एज एन ऑडिटर, आई डोंट हैव एनी प्रॉब्लम. व्हाट इज द सेकंड प्रॉब्लम? AFS shall be a which record? Public record or available on what? मेरे को कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है क्योंकि गूगल से डाउनलोड ही तो कर रहा है. एंड व्हाट इज द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट? मैनेजमेंट मस्ट हैव मेड व्हाट अरेंजमेंट्स फॉर द इंटेंडेड यूजर्स बाय व्हिच दे कैन ऑब्टेन द एक्सेस टू देयर व्हाट. अभी मैंने आपको एग्जांपल बताया, यूआरएल दे दो, ऑलरेडी ऑन द ईमेल यू हैव सेंड देम द एसएफएस ना, उसमें नीचे यूआरएल दे दो फॉर द डिटेल्ड ऑडिटेड फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट, क्लिक ऑन दिस पर्टिकुलर थिंग, वो रीडायरेक्ट कर देगा टू द वेबसाइट वेयर यू कैन कम एंड डाउनलोड व्हाट AFS. So either of the three things should be done if it is prohibited by law. What are the three things? या तो आप क्लियरली मेंशन कर दो कहां पे जाना है, वेयर एंड हु इज द राइट पर्सन टू कॉन्टेक्ट फॉर द AFS. सेकेंड वन, if it is a public record or already appearing on public domain. And third, you should make the necessary arrangements to provide the link for what AFS. What is the next? तो ये तीनों के ऊपर अपने को क्या चाहिए? WRL. Are you getting the point? From the home management. Major point यही है. AFRF shall be substituted with the word applied criteria. यहाँ तो कोई डाउट है? पक्का 100%. Moving ahead. Agreement with the management on form of opinion on what? SFS. अब ध्यान से सुनो. What is the point number written? Nature of procedures to be followed on which audit? SFS audit. Evaluate that SFS adequately discloses its summarized nature and must identify what? AFS, which means summary financial statement prepared from AFS for the year ending what? 31st March. अब ध्यान से सुनो, जब हम अपना ऑडिट रिपोर्ट बनाएंगे उसमें क्लियरली मेंशन करेंगे कि दोनों का पीरियड सेम है. और जब मैनेजमेंट ऑल्सो विल प्रिपेयर समराइज फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट, इट इज देयर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी दैट कि दे शुड डिक्लेयर दिस. व्हाट आर दे डिक्लेयरिंग? Summarized financial statements have been prepared from audited financial statement for the period ending what? 31st March. That is the same thing we will also declare in our which report? Auditor's report. कि ये summarize कोई different नहीं है. This is a replica copy in a summarized form from what? AFS. That is the point number 1 you have to ensure. Right? Second thing, ensure that AFS are not accompanied with what? SFS due to the which provision? अगर देखो पहले चेक करो, लॉ प्रोहिबिशन है तो ओनली एसएफएस. इफ लॉ प्रोहिबिशन इज नॉट देयर देन एसएफएस प्लस एएफएस. बट इफ द लॉ प्रोहिबिशन इज देयर ओनली एसएफएस, बट व्हाट आर द थ्री ऑप्शंस? होम टू कॉन्टेक्ट, second public domain, और third necessary steps to make it what arrangement. इसे बोलते हैं undue difficulty. What do we call it as? तो हम लोग यही वर्ड को एक्सप्लेन कर रहे हैं कि इट इज अ मैनेजमेंट रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी टू इंश्योर टू मेक इट अवेलेबल फॉर व्हाट अनड्यू डिफिकल्टी, मतलब किसी को दिक्कत नहीं आनी चाहिए. No one should have the problem in accessing your AFS. And what is the third thing we have to ensure? Ensure that कि in our audit report we should also declare that कि they have been made as per what applied criteria and has been prepared. SFS has been prepared in accordance with what applied. So we have to stop using the word called what AFRF and start using the word called what applied, especially in case of SFS. देखो कुछ तो डिफरेंट करना था इनको. सो फार मैं तुम्हें फ्रैंकली स्पीकिंग अपने हार्ट से बता रहा हूं, आई डेंट फाइंड एनी डिफरेंस इन दिस स्टैंडर्ड कि व्हाई इट इज स्पेशलाइज्ड. इसमें कुछ स्पेशलाइज्ड नहीं है. एक ही चीज स्पेशलाइज लगी कि इट्स अ विन विन सिचुएशन फॉर होम ऑडिटर. वी हैव अ मोर लेग ओवर द होम क्लाइंट सेइंग दैट कि भाई मैं तो इतने लूंगा. इफ यू विल नॉट गिव मी दिस मच देन हायर समवन एल्स. करेक्ट है नहीं है? समवन एल्स मे से यस और मे नॉट से यस. वो पता है आएगा मैनेजमेंट अपने पास ही. एंड सेकंड डिफरेंस इज इंस्टेड ऑफ AFRF, rest remaining I didn't find anything particular in this particular area, right or not? Next point, compare your SFS with what AFS to determine that there is agreement between both and is there any requirement of any what recall. Obviously figures में तो word to word match होनी चाहिए. There may be a possibility of difference in figures when it comes to 805. सोचो अब 805 क्या था, अपने दिमाग में घुसो. 805 फिलिंग द ब्लैंक्स. 805 था सिंगल फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट. वहां पे ओपिनियन डिफरेंट हो सकती है. जस्ट नाउ वी हैव डन मॉडिफाइड टू अनमॉडिफाइड, अनमॉडिफाइड टू मॉडिफाइड. 3 reasons: लॉ प्रोहिबिशन, नॉट पब्लिश टुगेदर, नॉट अ सब्सटेंशियल पार्ट. बट यहाँ पे ऐसा कोई भी स्कोप नहीं है. इट हैज टू व्हाट मैच, राइट और नॉट? Evaluate that SFS is nothing but what aggregation. SFS in aggregation is not in एक सेकेंड एक सेकेंड. ये एक तो मैडम ना ये मेरे लिए फिलिंग द ब्लैंक्स कर देती है. मैंने पक्का कुछ अच्छा ही सेंटेंस लिखवाया होगा, इनको समझ में नहीं आया होगा, इन्होंने वैसे लिख दिया. Ensure that SFS is in agreement with AFS and is not giving any misleading information. Am I correct? Thank God. Evaluate that it shall not be an indicative or substitute of what. मैंने आपको पहले ही बताया था कि फॉर सम पीपल AFS डज मैटर. आप उन्हें ये नहीं बोल सकते सर AFS चाहिए. सर भैया AFS नहीं है, SFS ले लो. ये छोले भटूरे बिक रहे हैं भैया, भटूरे नहीं है, खत्म हो गए, पूरी ले लो. भैया कॉफी नहीं है, टी ले लो. ये सब्सटीट्यूशन नहीं चल रहा. Are you getting the point? So make sure that SFS shall not be substitute for the want of what AFS, and ensure that AFS must be, ये हमने अभी पढ़ा, तीसरी बार रिपीट हो रहा है. Ensure that AFS must be available to the which party without. प्लीज एक्सप्लेन द 3 points. यहाँ पे भी एक्सप्लेन किया, यहाँ पे भी एक्सप्लेन किया, यहाँ पे भी सेम पॉइंट. 3 points बताओ. पब्लिक डोमेन, फ्रॉम होम एंड वेयर टू कलेक्ट, and make necessary arrangements to make it what available. Right now let's come to the which opinion. Up padho. Point number 1. If it is which opinion? Unmodified opinion on SFS. Auditor can use following phrases if the law has not prohibited it to use. अब प्रॉब्लम यहाँ पे क्या है, कई बार लॉ आपको 700 सीरीज वाले phrases is not allowed to be used sometimes in 810. So if law does not have the problem, we can as it is borrow from where 700. If law does have a problem, then in that case we will use what the law is saying. Did you get the point? Because you are not bigger than what law. Simple si baat hai. What is the first situation? We are giving a which opinion? Unmodified. What do you mean by unmodified? Clean. And who does not have any problem? law, if the law has not prohibited, then these either of these 2 points you can use. What is the point number one? SFS is looking consistent with what? AFS in all material respects and are prepared according to applied criteria. Is this indicating any modification or only unmodified? Positive point number one, looking what? Consistent and prepared as per what? If you do not want to write this line, you can go for this line. What is the second line? SFS is a fair summary of what? AFS. Same इसी को represent कर रहा है and are prepared in accordance with what? Right or not? या तो आप ये word choose कर लो or you choose this word, either of the two, in case law does not prohibit any use of these words. But if the law prohibits use on what? Such wordings and prescribes its own wording, then auditor को क्या करना है? Auditor shall apply earlier discussed procedure and shall do fabs to express a prescribed opinion as according to what? Law. अगर ऑडिटर को लगता है कि the law prescribed words are not meeting his what? Expectations, so he has to do additional fabs for the same. What is fabs? Further audit procedure. कि what more evidences I have to collect so that my opinion should match with the expectation of the law. अब जैसे auditor shall evaluate whether the user of SFS might misunderstand his what? Opinion. In such case, he shall provide additional explanation in his report to mitigate the possible what? Understand. देखो, generally people are habitual of seeing this wordings. Are you getting me? Try to understand. Generally people are habitual of seeing. अब मेरे को ये बताओ, while seeing these headings, even a non-commerce background person also will say that nothing negative is being told about. Am I correct or not? Is there anything negative you are finding? Or everything is going great? But law has told us that you use these words. But auditor feels that using these words, with that users may what? Misinterpret my what? Opinion. तो उसके लिए what the additional? Now read this point. Auditor shall apply earlier discussed procedures and shall do what? Fabs to express what? Prescribed opinion as according to the law. सबसे पहले तो अपने ओपिनियन पैराग्राफ में एक डिस्क्लेमर दे दो कि दिस ऑडिट इज नॉट डन एज पर व्हाट? ऐसे, क्योंकि हु इज प्रोहिबिटिंग यू फ्रॉम यूजिंग दैट वर्डिंग? लॉ. पहले तो डिस्क्लेमर दे दो एंड रीड द सेकंड पॉइंट नाउ. Auditor shall evaluate whether users of SFS might what? Misunderstand his opinion. If he will use whose wording? Law's wording. In such case, he shall provide what? Additional explanation in his report to mitigate the possible misunderstanding. हम लोग EMP OMP क्यों यूज करते बताना मेरे को? For the better understanding of whom? User. Here also doing the same thing. If I think that they may misunderstand my opinion if I'll use these wordings, then in that case you should do some additional efforts to mitigate the risk of what? Misunderstanding. Did you understand? If you are using these two, no problem. But if the law has prescribed any language and you think that problem may arise, go for which explanation? Additional explanation. That's what they're, in short, they're trying to tell. 100% clarity. Next point. Even after doing the additional communication or information, if the possible misunderstanding is not getting what? Mitigated. तुमने try कर लिया, सब कुछ कर लिया, but solution is not coming on, then shall withdraw from what? Engagement. But wait, next day. The law prohibits you to what? Give a what? Specific note in the auditor's report of SFS that it was not conducted as per SA. And this is तो still this is a problem if it is a which opinion? Unmodified. Unmodified में law ने वाट लगा दी. अभी तो कौन सी वाट आएगी? Modified. समझ में आ रहे हो? अब modified में देखो क्या हो रहा है. In case there is a which opinion? Modified or EMP or OMP in what? AFS. अब क्या करना है? Then qualified opinion EMP or OMP, determine its impact and describe the basis of qualified opinion EMP or OMP. If deems what appropriately, then act what? According. मतलब जो AFS में हुआ है same replicate to your what? SFS. If it is a case of what? Adverse or disclaimer opinion in which report? AFS. Then state that ki audit report on AFS contains what? Adverse and disclaimer. Describe the basis or reasons for such what? Adverse or disclaimer. State that as it is adverse and disclaimer opinion, it is inappropriate to express an opinion on what? SFS. What do you mean by that? अब मेरे को ये बताओ, ऊपर हमने क्या रिपोर्ट दी, इसमें कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. यू हैव गिवन अ विच ओपिनियन? क्वालिफाइड, ईएमपी और ओएमपी. उस केस में आपको क्या करना है? Determine the impact. Describe the what? Basis. What is basis? Basis paragraph आता ना, EMP और OMP as it is. If deems what? Appropriate and then what? Okay. अगर तुम्हें लगता कि that summarize में भी you should add, you can add it. But especially in case of what? Adverse और disclaimer. अब आपको क्या करना है? State the auditor's report on AFS contains adverse or disclaimer. In SFS audit report say that कि AFS audit report contains adverse or disclaimer. Second point, again describe the basis for which opinion, adverse or disclaimer. State that as it is what? Adverse or disclaimer, it is inappropriate to express an opinion on what? SFS, क्योंकि it's better that you should refer what? AFS, क्योंकि detail आपको वहां पे मिलेगी. Did you get the point? See, it is already expressed in detail where? AFS. Summarize में you're not expected to summarize your modifications, ना? Modifications तो has to be in what? Detail. तो it's better that you should refer what? तो कुछ लिखने की जरूरत नहीं. For the modification reasons, especially because of adverse and disclaimer, refer which report? AFS report. इसीलिए तो हम लोग बोलते हैं कि it should be available to the users with which difficulty? Undue difficulty. नहीं तो आप उसे guessing situation में डाल रहे हो. And next point, under what circumstances SFS can modify his what? Opinion. If SFS looks what? Inconsistent with AFS. अब ये क्यों? ये तो आप विड्रॉ कर सकते थे. But the law allows or does not allow? तो उस केस में only tool what is left with you is modified opinion. आप adverse opinion दे रहे हो. When? If the SFS is looking what? Inconsistent. If it is inconsistent with all what? Material aspects. Not at all looking fair summary of what? AFS. Not prepared according to what? Applied career. Management disagrees with what? एक भी पॉजिटिव एस्पेक्ट नहीं है, सब क्या है? नेगेटिव. तो इट्स बेटर टू गिव विच ओपिनियन? एडवर्स ओपिनियन. एटलीस्ट एंटिटी को भी तो पता चले कि इफ द लॉ विल नॉट परमिट मी, वी स्टिल हैव अ टूल टू एक्सप्रेस अवर व्हाट? ओपिनियन. एडवर्स दे दो एंड ये 5 रीजन लिख के आ जाओ. व्हाट आर द रीजन? नंबर 1, इनकंसिस्टेंट है, इनकंसिस्टेंट विद मटेरियल एस्पेक्ट, नॉट एट ऑल लुकिंग एज अ फेयर समरी ऑफ व्हाट? सर ये उसका ही ऑपोजिट है. हमने जो अभी अनमॉडिफाइड में देखा था, व्हाट वर द 2 पॉइंट्स यू कैन राइट इन मॉडिफाइड? अनमॉडिफाइड में SFS इज कंसिस्टेंट विद व्हाट? AFS. यहाँ पे थर्ड पॉइंट, सेकंड पॉइंट में देखो, फर्स्ट पॉइंट में क्या बोल रहे हैं? SFS इज लुकिंग इनकंसिस्टेंट. नाउ SFS इज अ फेयर समरी ऑफ व्हाट? वही थर्ड पॉइंट में हम लिख रहे हैं, नॉट एट ऑल लुकिंग लाइक अ फेयर. Complete opposite to unmodified, therefore definitely it deserves what? Adverse. And last में क्या है? Miscellaneous notes. अब क्या लिखा हुआ है miscellaneous notes? मैं वही बोल रहा हूँ अम्मा. Even though replica, I found the material uncertainty, I found the problems, I wanted to withdraw, but the law is not allowing me to withdraw ना. तो what should I do? How should I express my modified opinion? आपको विड्रॉल का ऑप्शन ही नहीं है तो आप क्या करोगे मेरे को बताओ. इफ यू डोंट हैव अ विड्रॉल द ऑप्शन, व्हाट यू वुड लाइक टू डू? वुड यू लाइक टू गिव 2 सेम ओपिनियन ऑन AFS as well as at SFS? What did you expect from your client? He should have applied his criteria properly and SFS should look like a fair summary of what? Nothing is matching. तो आप क्या ही करोगे फिर? अग्रीमेंट्स है, कंप्लीट डिसएग्रीमेंट्स है, तो व्हाट इज द ओनली ऑप्शन लेफ्ट? क्योंकि अब ये किस सिचुएशन में है? दिस इज गोइंग टू हैपन इन विच सिचुएशन? व्हेन इट इज गोइंग टू बी इन व्हाट? विड्रॉल इज पॉसिबल और नॉट पॉसिबल? क्योंकि मैनेजमेंट वाज नॉट शोइंग मी द ट्रू पिक्चर व्हेन आई एक्सेप्टेड दिस एंगेजमेंट. नाउ दे स्टार्टेड शोइंग मी व्हाट? ट्रू कलर्स. अब विड्रॉल अलाउड नहीं है तो आई कैन नॉट डू एनीथिंग अदर देन व्हाट? मॉडिफाइंग माई ओपिनियन. इज इट क्लियर एवरीवन? बस खत्म ही होने वाला. अरे सिर्फ छोटा सा टॉपिक खत्म हो गया. अरे ओनली स्मॉल 2 टॉपिक्स, चिल्ले चिल्ले टॉपिक्स हैं, मिसलेनियस पॉइंट्स. देखो अगर हैवी लग रहा है तो लिख लेते हैं पोर्शन. कंप्लीट कर दे, लिखने का कल करना है तो 9 बजे तक टाइम है अपने पास। एक सेकेंड, तुम लोग एक्सपेक्ट करके बैठे हो 8:30 को, एक्सपेक्टेशन जरा ज्यादा नहीं हो जा रहे तुम्हारे? ये बार बार इसको कौन कर रहा है? इधर से कोई चेंज करता है कैसे? हमारा रिमोट है क्या तुम्हारे पास? ओके, नाउ व्हाट आर द मिसलेनियस नोट्स? अब मेरे को ये बताओ, अभी तक कोई प्रॉब्लम है स्टैंडर्ड में तो बताओ, बताओ स्टैंडर्ड में क्या था फिर? सर नथिंग ग्रेट। We also have the same opinion like you. We didn't find anything special in this standard. It is looking like a very fair summary of what we do in 700. Only difference what we found is AFRF is replaced by criteria. Rest meaning is everything looking same. And the most important thing we found out that there can't be any other auditor. It has to be what? Same auditor. And law interferes a lot. Right or no? In most of the cases it does not allow you to what? Withdraw. उस केस में क्या करना है? Clear indication कि this audit is not conducted as per the standard and I'm giving adverse opinion because of 5 reasons. Neither it is consistent, material aspects, not looking at a face summary, not prepared according to applied criteria, and management disagrees to make any what? अब इन सिचुएशंस में मैं करोगे क्या? You have to give a which opinion? Adverse. Modified नहीं, मॉडिफाइड से भी स्पेसिफिक होना पड़ता है. इट इज लुकिंग लाइक एडवर्स. अब सुनो, what are the miscellaneous things you need to understand in this particular standard? First of all, read if SFS is prepared in accordance with what? Special purpose framework. Repeat the point again. If SFS, summarized financial statements, are prepared not as per general purpose framework, but they are prepared as per what? Auditor may indicate an additional paragraph for alerting the readers to tell them the basis of accounting and to show the restriction on distribution and use. क्या लिखते हैं हम लोग कि भैया this is for the restricted use of these people and it is not intended to be used by anybody else. तो ये क्या बोल रहे हैं? If it is especially this case, you may add on which para? Basis and restriction on distribution and use para, which we already used in 800, which we already used in 805, and we can also use the same in what? 810. Point number 1 में तो कोई problem नहीं, miscellaneous. Point number 2, generally SFS must contain what? Comparatives as it is derived from what? AFS. और 2 years के comparisons होते हैं, current year and what? Previous year. But if there is a reasonable omission by whom? Management. It is completely agreeable, but if the omission turns out to be what? Unreasonable, then auditor shall determine its impact on what? SFS. If the last year figures audited by another auditor, then compliance of SA 710. अब वो क्या बोल रहे हैं कि अगर आपको लग रहा है कि even if comparative information is missing and it is looking genuine and it is looking reasonable, go ahead. But if you think that कि comparable informations were required, then in that case raise the concern with whom? Management. But if you think that कि previous year के comparable figures were audited by what? Another auditor, then तो definitely we know ना we have to follow S7. S10 में 3 situation क्या follow करी थी 710 में? Maybe the predecessor auditor has given a which opinion? Modified. And his modifications are still what? Unresolved. Maybe the predecessor auditor has given a what? Unmodified opinion. But we have an evidence that he should have given modified. Maybe last year what has not happened? Audit. सिंपल बोल रहे हैं कि अगर प्रीडिसेसर ऑडिटर हैज डन द ऑडिट ऑफ एएफएस के प्रीवियस ईयर के फिगर्स, देन डू कंप्लाई विद व्हाट? एसए 710. तो पहले और दूसरे मिसलेनियस पॉइंट में क्या फर्क आया? फर्स्ट में वो क्या बोल रहे हैं कि इफ इट इज प्रिपेयर्ड एज पर व्हाट? स्पेशल पर्पस फ्रेमवर्क, डू फॉलो द एडिशनल पैरा. व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ द पैरा? बेसिस ऑफ अकाउंटिंग, डायरेक्शंस ऑफ sorry, restrictions on use, restriction on distribution and use. Second में क्या बोल रहे हैं? It's fine if sometimes the comparable figure is not giving, if it is looking agreeable. If it is looking disagreeable, go and raise the concern with whom? And if it is being audited by the which auditor? Another auditor, predecessor, then do follow the compliance of what? 710. राइट? क्योंकि हमने शुरू में डिक्लेरेशन दी थी ये स्टैंडर्ड में कि we will also try to follow the relevant standards of which series to which series, 200 to 700. 100% clarity. Read the miscellaneous point number 3. If there is a inconsistency with the which information, तो कौन सा स्टैंडर्ड फॉलो करना है? 720. अब बताओ, तभी तो इसे मिसलेनियस लिखा है कि फालतू के चिल्लर पॉइंट्स है. तो प्रीडिसेसर ऑडिटर डिफरेंट है तो 7 है. इनकंसिस्टेंसी विद व्हाट, तो क्या फॉलो करना है? 720. फोर्थ वन पढ़ो. एसएफएस ऑडिट रिपोर्ट डेट कैन नॉट बी अर्लियर देन व्हाट. ये तो पॉसिबल ही नहीं है, बिकॉज व्हाट इज ड्रॉन फ्रॉम व्हाट? एसएफएस. ये तो नशे करके ऑडिट कर रहा हूँ कोई. समवन मस्ट बी अंडर द इंप्रेशन ऑफ टॉक्सिक सब्सटेंसेस, क्योंकि until unless what is not over, you can't do what? तो whose report will be later? ऐसे वे can't come what? Earlier. ये तो बहुत ही important point है. But additional focus on subsequent events. Which events? हो सकता है AFS तुमने जून में कर दिया, SFS आप सितंबर में कर रहे हो. From June to September, if any event has taken place, तो special focus on it as a which event? तो इसका मतलब कंप्लायंस ऑफ व्हाट? 560 हो गए. तो 4 में से 3 पॉइंट तो कंप्लायंस के ही हैं. 1 is 710, 1 is 720 and 1 is 560. Next, Auditors Association. Auditor did the audit of SFS, but audit report is not to include in a specific what? Document. If the management plans to do above, then request the management to include SFS audit report in that document. अब सुनो ध्यान से. अगर आपकी ऑडिटेड फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट आ रही है और मेरी ऑडिट रिपोर्ट भी आ रही है, एंड इफ यू आर थिंकिंग ऑफ इंक्लूडिंग व्हाट? समरी फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट, बट नॉट इंक्लूडिंग माय व्हाट? समराइज ऑडिट रिपोर्ट, तो इट इज फाइन और इट इज नॉट फाइन? इट इज नॉट फाइन. आइदर you only put what? AFS and AFS report. But if you are putting a summarized financial statement, then it should get accompanied with my audit report on summarized financial statement. Only financial statement allowed or not allowed? Not allowed. Either all the 4 should come, 3 should be allowed or not allowed? Not. AFS came, AFS report came, SFS came, SFS report did not come. Do you have any problem with the management? Raise the concern with whom? Management. Read this point. Auditors Association, auditor did audit of what? SFS. उसने audit, but his audit report is not to be included in a which document? Specific. Let's say for example that specific document is annual report. Which report? If the management plans to do so above, then request the management to include SFS audit report also in what? That document. If the management disagrees to do that, then auditor shall take appropriate action to prevent the management from doing an inappropriate association of auditor with what? What matlab? If they are not doing, then tell them to draw your what? SFS also from there. Either both will come or none will come. Simple SFS लिख के मेरा ऑडिट फिर मेरे से करवाया क्यों? It means this is also an indication of what? Misleading information. हो सकता है कि वो बताना चाहते हैं कि yes, this is our what? SFS, without telling the people, knowing the fact that ये किस सिचुएशन में आता होगा? When the auditor is expressing a which opinion? Modified opinion. On which one? SFS, because it was not prepared as per what? Applied criteria. Not prepared as per what? And it was not looking like a fair summary of what? AFS. अब समझ में आ रहा है? तो other, if everything is true and fair, I don't think so that management has any reason not to include my what? Audit report on summarized financial statement. Either both will come or none will come. That is what the idea behind this particular topic. Now, SFS audit is not done. Management plans to include what? SFS. अब पहले audit हो गया and they were not including my audit report. But now they have made SFS, but the audit is not done. So what they are saying, auditor shall request the management either to refer auditor's name in SFS, and management must not give any impression that the audit has been conducted on what? SFS. मतलब क्या बोला जा रहा है कि if suppose SFS is prepared but the audit is not done, it means 3 things have happened: AFS, AFS audit, SFS, but no SFS audit. Then give the impression in that SFS these are unaudited summarized financial statements. These are what? कहीं पे भी मेरे से बिना पूछे मेरा नाम एसोसिएट मत कर देना, क्योंकि आई विल नॉट टेक द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑफ एक्सप्रेशन ऑफ एनी ओपिनियन ऑन व्हाट SFS. Read this point again. Management must not give any impression that a audit has been conducted, क्योंकि audit has not yet been done. मजे मत लो फालतू में मेरा नाम यूज करके. Are you getting the point? And if the above points are not agreed by the whom management, then he must take the appropriate action from doing the same. तो मेरे का appropriate action मतलब public notice क्या देंगे? I would like to bring to your notice that the SFS printed on this page are not what? Audited, and no expression of opinion has been given on the same. These are unaudited summarized financial statements. Simple सा logic. Basically देखा जाए तो दो ही situation है. Audit happened, audit not happened. Audit happened, but they are not ready to include your report because you have given modified. So tell them either both will come or none will come. Alone SFS तो will not come. Second, audit not done, and they are including what? SFS. It is allowed. I don't have any problem now in 3, but the problem is you're giving an impression that the auditor has done the audit. Please give exclusive disclaimer that these are unaudited summarized financial statements so that I will not shoulder any responsibility for the same. You do not agree, I will take the which action? Appropriate action. Simple सा logic है. कोई डाउट? पक्का 100%. क्या है? एक तो SPF में क्या करना है? एडिशनल पैराग्राफ डालना है, ठीक है. प्रीडिसेसर ऑडिटर में 710 का कंप्लायंस, अदर इंफॉर्मेशन से इनकंसिस्टेंट, और बिटवीन AFS एंड SFS की डेट ऑफ ऑडिट रिपोर्ट में एनी सब्सिक्वेंट इवेंट केम 560. ऑडिट डन बट दे आर नॉट रेडी टू इंक्लूड माय रिपोर्ट. आइदर बोथ or none. Management is not agreeing, take a which action? Appropriate. Audit report not done, they are okay. I am okay with putting the SFS, but no impression should be given as if the audit has been done. Else I will take a what? Appropriate action. Simple सी बात. Next point. Contents of your which report? Audit. Right? What is the first one? Heading क्या होगी? दिखाओ इसका एग्जाम्पल. एग्जाम्पल देखना है. ये एग्जाम्पल दिखाओ, इसमें कितने मजे आते हैं इनको. ये रही ऑडिटेड समरी फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट्स ऑफ विच कंपनी. कंपनी का नाम क्या है? यूनिलीवर कैरेबियन लिमिटेड. ऊपर हेडिंग पढ़ो, इंडिपेंडेंट ऑडिटर्स रिपोर्ट ऑन द समरी फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट. तो सेकंड वन क्या हो गया फिर अपना? एड्रेसी. फिर कौन सा पैराग्राफ हो गया? ओपिनियन. राइट. ओपिनियन में पैराग्राफ में पढ़ो ऊपर क्या लिखा हुआ? The summary financial statement which comprise the summary statement of financial position. तो ये summary word you have to repeat it what? Again and again. Summary balance sheet है, summarized financial state. Consolidated का opposite version है ये. क्या है? Summarize. Next one. Summary financial statement किसकी responsibility? Management. The audited financial statement and our report. We express a which unmodified audit opinion on the audited financial statement in our report dated this one. The report also includes a communication of what? Key audit matters. Whose responsibility? Manager. Preparation and presentation whose? But as per the AFRF or as per the applied criteria? As per the applied criteria. Next one is what? Auditor's responsibility. What is our auditor's responsibility? We have conducted this audit as per the compliance of SA, unless law has prohibited me to use such what? Wordings. So then I will do what? We have not conducted this audit as per what? This essay. नीचे आपके क्या है? सिग्नेचर. उसके नीचे आपकी अटैच्ड फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट है. यहाँ पे आपका खत्म हो गया. अब आपको देखो यहाँ पे वो नहीं आया. क्या मिसिंग दिख रहा है यहाँ पे? ऑडिट देखो KPMG. बताओ. सिग्नेचर देखो KPMG है. तो ऐसा नहीं है, इसमें भी सब आएगा वो 7 things, the name, firm name, all those things, because you have already given that details in what? AFS. So that's the reason they have done it like this. और नीचे क्या है? Summarize statement of financial statement. अब जैसे सिंपल यहीं पे खत्म होगी. ये इनके समराइज नोट्स, ये इनकी समराइज चेंजेस इन इक्विटी, ये समराइज्ड कैश फ्लो, ये समराइज P&L, और ऊपर समराइज वर्ड. हर एक के ऊपर वर्ड क्या हुआ है? समरी. ये भी शेयर कर दूं, ठीक है? चाहिए ये सारे, थोड़े एटलीस्ट एक आइडिया आ जाएगा। दिस इज हाउ इट अपीयर्स। इसका मतलब आपका लास्ट टॉपिक इज ऑलरेडी ओवर। जल्दी से बस रीड आउट करेंगे एंड यू ओ रीड द पॉइंट। टाइटल, एड्रेसी, एक सेकेंड, ये पैराग्राफ एज पर द न्यू यहाँ पे आ जाएगा। एक सेकेंड, मेरे को एक बार कंफ्यूजन हो रही है। आपके आईसी के मटेरियल में इसका फॉर्मेट दिया तो विल गो बाय दैट 810 ना। ये आईसी का फॉर्मेट है, दैट्स व्हाई आई एम टेलिंग यू कि हाउ इट इज डिफरेंट। तो देखो, फॉरगेट दैट व्हाट आई शोन यू। नहीं नहीं, अल्टीमेटली वहां पे जाके ये थोड़ा लिख के हो गया आई सॉ यूनिलीवर कैरिबियन लिमिटेड की ओपिनियन पैराग्राफ वाज कमिंग अब ये थोड़ा लिख के होगे तुम भाई, गो एज पर होम आई से, हु इज अवर टेम्पल आई से बोलेगा एज पर अवर स्टडी मटेरियल योर आंसर इज नॉट मैचिंग, यू डिजर्व 0। सिंपल सी बात है। अब पढ़ते हैं आई से के अकॉर्डिंग। व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट वन? टाइटल फॉलोड बाय व्हाट? एड्रेसी एंड देन विच पैरा? इंट्रोडक्टरी पैराग्राफ। इसको मैं रिमेनिंग आपको कल एक बार डिटेल में पढ़ा दूंगा। नाउ फर्स्ट रीड विच पैराग्राफ अगेन? Management responsibility, auditor and opinion. It means it is quite similar as our 800, 805, 810. अब देखो, चलो बैठे हो तो देख ही लो। What is the extra point here is addressee में if the addressee is what different, then understand what are the terms of engagement, nature of entity and the purpose of what. क्योंकि मैंने आपको पहले बताया था it could be the requirement of a regulator. तो आपको ये देखना पड़ेगा कि SFS डिमांड किसने करी है, who is the intended user. इंट्रोडक्टरी पैराग्राफ में आइडेंटिफाई दैट कि दिस रिपोर्ट इज ऑन व्हाट, आइडेंटिफाई दैट एसएफएस इज फेयरली डिराइव्ड फ्रॉम व्हाट, एएफआई। ये सारे आइडेंटिफाई मतलब डिक्लेरेशन है। सेकंड वन, एएफएस शैल ओनली बी आइडेंटिफाई इफ इट वाज व्हाट, अनमॉडिफाइड ओपिनियन, इंडिकेट दैट नो subsequent events have been taken care of, indicate that SFS is not a substitute of what, AFS, because SFS only gives what, limited understanding of disclosures. बाकी सारे paragraphs is what, same. This will appear when SPFS, if it is a summarized financial statement but prepared as per what, special purpose framework, then date, place and signature, right? That brings an end to your topic. ये अपन कल पढ़ लेंगे। निकलो, क्योंकि अगर मैं लिखवाने बैठा तो 9:30 हो जाएंगे। अगर बैठ सकते हो तो बैठ जाओ आज 9:30। यहाँ पे मंगा दूं खाना? ये I have to file for a bankruptcy. चलो, see you guys tomorrow. Good night. मॉर्निंग पहले अपन इसे वाइंड अप करेंगे इन राइटिंग एंड देन विल मूव अहेड विद द SAE सीरीज, राइट? स्टैंडर्ड्स ऑन एश्योरेंस एंगेजमेंट. बाय एवरीवन, गुड नाइट.